We will demonstrate that the assembly proceeded to engage the people of Siaya by calling for public participation, issuing a notice to the people. Whoever has any information in relation to this impeachment, please come here forward and present it to us. Please come here and appear before the special committee of the assembly, just like this Senate has also, in recognizance of the Constitution, done. And the assembly was also minded, as we will demonstrate, that the impeachment process is time-bound, only 10 days. The assembly was also minded that Siaya is far-flung. Different parts of the county are spread. Residents are spread all over the country of Kenya. They gave the public 7 days to make their comments and to make their submissions on the impeachment. 7 days. We will show you. We will also demonstrate that the allegation of late submission of documents is a falsity. We will show you that the deputy governor, in response to the public invitation and to himself, requested for information before the 7 days for submission of documents matured. And this assembly, we will demonstrate, decided to supply whatever material had been received as at that time, even before the lapse of the 7 days. We will also show you that to demonstrate how